Hi, it's Dorothy Gagne with Scrapbooking Quebec, and today I'm going to share my April 2020 How to Kill a Kit with Style kit. That's the stash busting series where some crafty YouTubers share ideas on how to use up scrappy stash. At the beginning of the month, we share a kit. At the end of the month, we share our projects, and sometimes in between, we do some process videos. I'm going to put links to the other participants below, so be sure to check them out. This month, my goal is to take a themed collection and repurpose it. So if you stick around, I'll share a few ideas on how to do this. I'm starting with Echo Park's coffee collection. It's so cute and adorable, and I have used it, but there's no way I'm going to make coffee pages for an entire collection. At the same time, I want to use it up. I have invested in it. So I'm showing you what I do have left of this. I set the decorations aside, and I have 7 full 12 by 12 sheets as well as some scraps. I like almost all of this paper, both sides of it, but I only have one of each, and that kind of limits me because I'm a double page scrapbooker. I added some white and black cardstock and some other paper that I found in my stash. So what I'm going to do right now is build 4 page kits. When I'm selecting my page kits, I'm selecting the side that I plan to use, but I may use the other side, but these are going to be my jumping off points. So I start with that blue floral, even though I really like the other side as well, because I'm trying to keep this general right now. I don't want it to be coffee themed, but I want to use up what I have. The same thing for this other floral here. I like the other side, but I also like this floral. I paired it with that kind of checkered red paper, and that comes from Studio Calico. I've had it forever. And again, I added some white and black cardstock. Now I'm going to put together a third one. This one there, the print is like coffee art, but you really have to look at it and know what you're looking at. I think I can use it for another theme. I'm pairing it with some white polka dot paper from Stampin' Up, as well as that peachy pinky color, and that comes from Crate Paper La La Love. So now I have 3 page kits, and now I'm going to put together a 4th one. Now this 4th one is going to be coffee themed. That page there is very coffee themed, and honestly these 3 papers, which are all from the kit, one side of them are all cut apart sheets, all coffee themed, so there's no way I would use all of those because it's way too coffee themed. But I am keeping one of them. Who knows? That one is clearly a coffee page. Here are a few other papers left over from the paper I selected from my stash. That black and white gingham is from Stampin' Up, and the other grid paper was from Studio Calico. I'm going to keep it together with this paper because I may be able to use them on my pages somewhere. I tidied up my desk, but now what I'm going to do is show you the decorations. So this kit came with a 12 by 12 sticker sheet, and I plan to use some of them as coffee, but other ones are very general, like that border or banner I'm showing you there, as well as the flowers, and some of them I plan to alter, like that banner at the bottom. I can cover up the word coffee with white punched out circles and put my own letters in, and I can do that with some of the other pieces as well. And I can do that for this ephemera pack as well, though a lot of those are very general. Some of them I can alter. Anyway, I hope to use them even though they're coffee themed. I really still want to use them up on my general pages, so my plan is to alter some of them. I'm throwing in some other ephemera. That is all from Vicki Boutin's past collection. So basically I was just looking for some color and general themes, and that seems to work here. I'm throwing in a few small doilies, as well as those cut apart leaves that came from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club that I haven't used up yet. For letters, I have black foam thickers, and I also have some titles, so I'm putting those in the kit. I also have some small white letters from Pink Fresh Studio. Those ones there, I'm thinking of them, but I don't think I'm going to use them after all. I'm just going to stick with black and white, and those are little expressions from Tim Holtz. I'm throwing that in. those are some enamel shapes, 2 different packs from Felicity Jane, so I'm going to throw those in my kit as well. And I am going to put in 2 stamp sets with 2 coordinating punches, and both of these are floral themes. One of them, the one with the 3 flowers there, I've used it before, but it's been a long time. And the other one, though it's old, I've never used it before, so I'm hoping to inspire myself to actually use it. So there is my kit for April 2020. I really hope to make a dent in this collection. Well, I hope to use it up, and I hope to make a dent in the decorations, and I hope to be able to use it on other themes other than coffee. So anyway, check in at the end of the month to see how I did. Hopefully I'll do a process video somewhere throughout the month, and don't forget to check out the other crafty YouTubers who are participating in this stash busting series. I'll put their links below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to Scrapbooking Quebec, I would be absolutely thrilled if you did. And have a great day. Bye-bye.